More than 14 centuries ago, the Qur'an described human development in the womb with a level of clarity that aligns strikingly with what modern embryology confirms today. These descriptions were revealed in a time with no microscopes, no medical imaging, and no scientific framework for studying embryonic development. One of the clearest passages appears in Surah Al-Mu'minun, chapter 23, verses 12 to 14, where the Qur'an states, "And we certainly created man from an extract of clay. Then we placed him as a drop of fluid in a secure place. Then we made the drop into a clinging form, and we made the clinging form into a chewed-like lump, and we made the chewed-like lump into bones, and we clothed the bones with flesh. Then we produced him as another creation. So blessed is Allah, the best of creators." The Qur'an begins human development with nutfa, a small drop of reproductive fluid. This precisely matches modern biology, which confirms that human life begins from microscopic reproductive material. The next stage is alaka, a word meaning something that clings or attaches. Scientifically, after fertilization, the embryo implants itself into the uterine wall, physically clinging to it. At this same stage, the embryo closely resembles a leech in both appearance and function, drawing nourishment from the mother's blood supply. This is an observable, documented reality of embryology. The following stage is mudja, meaning a chewed-like substance. Around the 4th week of development, the embryo forms segmented structures called somites, producing a chewed appearance with clear indentations. This visual correspondence is exact. The Qur'an then describes the formation of bones, followed by the clothing of those bones with flesh. Modern embryology confirms that the skeletal framework forms first as cartilage, after which muscle tissue develops around it. The sequence described in the Qur'an matches the actual developmental process. Importantly, the Qur'an avoids the scientific errors common in ancient medical theories, including those of Greek physicians like Galen. It does not claim the embryo comes from blood, nor does it repeat outdated biological myths. Instead, it presents a clear, consistent developmental sequence that remains accurate today. The Qur'an does not attempt to be a medical textbook, yet its description of embryological stages is precise, coherent, and fully compatible with modern scientific knowledge. Given the historical context in which it was revealed, this accuracy cannot reasonably be explained by chance or guesswork. The Qur'an's account of human development stands as a powerful sign, one that continues to withstand scientific scrutiny centuries later.